These are the two wheelies. What balance, what synchronization and what confidence.
और 12 फीट ऊंची सीढ़ी से सैल्यूट का विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाने महिला ऑफिसर कैप्टन डिंपल सिंह भाटी.
What a moment of pride for all these performers over here to be. And now we can see the three-peak devil formation. Leading the formation, Naik Jayakumar, Naik S.P. Mangu and signalman Sanket, making a world record of the longest assisted handstand on Kartavya Path for the very first time.
शत्रु जी, ये डेविल्स के जवान शत्रु की फॉर्मेशन तैयार करते हुए डांस नायक सुमित कुमार यादव और 7 अन्य जय डेविल्स कर्तव्य पथ पर.
So many brilliant formations. Mercury Peak, daring Mercury Peak formation performed by Havaldar Pramod Patil, Havaldar Sangram, Keshari Jena and 12 daredevils. We can see them pushing the boundaries of endurance.
जय डेविल्स एक एक करके आगे बढ़ते हुए मर्क्यूरी पीक
going past the saluting base. Mercury Peak formation. Hours of practice, years of training coming to fruition today.
इनको वॉरियर जो आधुनिक युग के तकनीकी वॉरियर्स गौरव सिग्नल्स के प्रतीक के रूप में हवलदार कमित हरेश, नायक सुनील कुमार और 14 अन्य जय डेविल्स.
And after the Info Warriors, we look forward to the Lotus, the magnificent Lotus formation led by CHM Durgesh Kumar, CQMX, Sujit Mondal and 20 other daredevils. Stunning display, vividly recreates India's national flower, the Lotus.
और ये ह्यूमन पिरामिड 33 मैन पिरामिड नायब सूबेदार अनिल कुमार और 8 जय डेविल 9 मोटरसाइकिलों पर 33 मैन पिरामिड तैयार करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ पर जोश और रोमांच की नई परिभाषा लिखते हुए.
Absolutely. Well, the exhilaration has just begun. And now it's time for our Men in Blue and the Fly Past.
It's time for the grand finale. Dazzling fly past by the Indian Air Force. Soon you will witness aerobatics and professional mid-sky maneuvers by some of the most professional pilots. The fly past lined up today, comprising a total of 40 aircraft, 22 fighters, 11 transport aircraft and 7 helicopters. We also have 3 aircraft from the Indian Coast Guard and 1 aircraft of the Indian Navy in today's fly past. These aircraft are taken off from different air bases, flying all the way to Kartavya Path today and present an aerial salute to the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces of India. The first formation will be Ajay Formation, a powerful display of indomitable spirit of our Apache attack helicopters, known for their unmatched power and lethality across the world. Shortly, 3 Apache helicopters will be flying in over the saluting dares in victory formation.
जी हाँ, निगाहें आकाश की ओर है और वायु विचरण करते हुए, वायु गर्जन करते हुए भारतीय वायुसेना के जांबाज कुछ ही पलों के पश्चात कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर नजर आएंगे. निगाहें उन्हें ढूंढ रही हैं उत्कंठा के साथ और यकीनन भारतीय वायुसेना का आदर्श वाक्य नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम चरितार्थ होने की ओर अग्रसर. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे अजय फॉर्मेशन को, जिसमें 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में नजर आएंगे. उपस्थित जनसमूह रोमांचित है, आह्लादित है, उत्कंठा के साथ प्रतीक्षा.
And there you can see the first formation flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sadathi. Flying the other 2 aircraft are Wing Commander Muni Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advance of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see formation airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीर डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु विचरण, शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की। 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
Formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodkute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. Formation comprising 1 AN-32, which is airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh, while the Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AN-32, a strong, rugged airplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Indian Air Force transport fleet.
तो डॉर्नियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श वाग के समय पर सहायता।
Such formation. The Dorniers belonging to 41 Squadron, also known as the Otters, with the motto Samay Par Sahayata. They have the unique distinction of being the only aircraft in the IAF with the role of air calibration of the IAF airfields. And now, the Rakshak formation, debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast, Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean. The formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and Commandant Jayant Thorat.
रक्षक फॉर्मेशन राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक के ऊपर से गुजरता हुआ।
The Indian Coast Guard Dorniers capable of carrying out maritime reconnaissance, search and rescue, pollution response, maritime security, anti-piracy and assistance to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun formation. Formation comprising 1 C-290J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
2 C-295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयरफोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम पर रखा गया है। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं। C-295 में विंग कमांडर सौरभ सिंह और विंग कमांडर C.P. रेड्डी।
Now the Varuna formation comprising 1 PHI aircraft of the Indian Navy and 2 Sukhoi 30 MTI of the Indian Air Force. The Sukhoi 30 air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft equipped with the state-of-the-art sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 flown by Group Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. PHI airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhoi is airborne from Air Force Station Jodhpur. This formation is flying at a speed of 555 kilometers per hour. Formation led by Commander Ruchit Kaur.
एक के बाद एक विमान हवा में उड़ान भरते